All right, grade 6. Here's our weekly homework again for this week. This week coming up. So to find it again, it is already posted in Google Classroom. So to go there, you just click on it and you click on assignments and you should see it there. Task 1 this week is to head over to the class blog and let's talk Halloween. So can you use descriptive writing to describe the scariest costume ever? Or if you'd rather, you could also describe someone's point of view as they walk through a terrifying haunted house. Use as many powerful adjectives as you can. So if we go to the link, which this week does work, very nice, you'll see an disgustingly scary picture of Mr. Steltman. And I've written a post here. So underneath, I would really like you to either write the perspective of a child going through a very scary haunted house, or describe the scariest costume you can imagine. It could be your costume this year. But using proper paragraph form, right underneath, write it so that we can... The goal is so that we're developing our descriptive writing. So the goal is for you to practice your descriptive writing and using different powerful adjectives that will help you terrify your reader, transport them to the haunted house, or create the costume in their mind so they quake with fear. Good luck. Mwah, Task 2 this week is trying a math question that I made a huge mistake on last week because I had a 1 here instead of a plus sign, so you couldn't do it. So it just goes to show how important it is that you put the proper symbols into your math questions. So I apologize for that confusion or any confusion that came up out of it. And so I fixed it. So this week I'd like you to go through and figure out how many different ways could you find values for m and for n to make it true. Okay, so practice that. Task 3 is 2 different questions. Choose the sentence that does not belong in the following paragraph. Put down what number it is. Is it sentence 1, 2, 3, or 4? Just write down the number and tell me why do you think that one didn't fit. And the last one's super easy. You can just choose the correct words to complete the following sentence, decide which one it is, and you can either highlight it or write your answer. Task 4 is website updates. Take some time to further explore your website, see if you can watch some tutorials on how to make a great website. Your goal for this week is to share it. So I know a lot of us have done this, but make sure that it's shared so that anyone with the link can view, or you've made it public with the world. Develop the homepage with 1 or 2 at most of your best pieces of work. Have those so that that's the focal point. Make sure you have your work organized on your portfolio page and you explain what each item is and why you put it on your website. Parent-teacher interviews are coming up, so we really want these websites ready so we can show off what we've done. And the last thing is to go to mrsteltman.com and make sure that under student success your website is linked there and that people can visit it. So you may want to sign out of the cloud, check your link and see if it works. If not, share it with me and I will put it up. And when you're all done, you get to write down here. That's your homework this week. All right, bye.